In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your designs in Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool used by designers, content creators, and anyone with a creative idea to bring their visions to life. Once you've created a design, whether it's a social media post, presentation, poster, or any other type of visual project, you may want to share it with others. Sharing can be for a variety of reasons. Maybe you want feedback from colleagues, collaboration with teammates, or simply to showcase your hard work. The process to share your designs is straightforward, but there are a few different options and settings that you might want to consider to ensure your design reaches the right people in the correct format. Start by opening Canva and selecting the specific design you want to share. Once you're inside the editing interface, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the share button, which serves as the gateway to sharing your design with others. Click on the share button to open up the sharing options. Canva provides multiple alternatives. You can invite people directly via email, allowing them to view or edit your design depending on the permissions you assign. Another option is to create a shareable link, which can be copied and distributed easily. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on generating a shareable link. Click on the copy link option and Canva will generate a unique URL for your design. This link allows people to access your design without sending large files or worrying about format compatibility. Before sharing, take a moment to review your privacy and permission settings. Canva lets you control whether anyone with the link can just view your design or also edit it. Make sure the permissions match your intended level of collaboration. Once everything is set, copy the link to your clipboard. You can then share it via email, messaging apps, or post it on social media. If you ever need to change permissions or stop sharing, you can return to Canva, adjust settings, or disable the link entirely. Sharing your designs in Canva is easy, flexible, and ensures your work reaches the right audience while keeping control over how others interact with it. Following these steps will help you efficiently share your designs, invite collaboration, and possibly gain valuable feedback or inspiration for future projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently showcase and share your creative work.